Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sitaraka Safar, where we unravel the cosmic energies guiding your week. The stars, planets, and moon are aligning in unique ways to bring changes in your life, whether it's in your profession, relationships, or health. Each zodiac has a story this week, and we're here to uncover it for you. As we explore the upcoming week's predictions, keep in mind that these insights are based on your moon sign. So let's dive in and see what's ahead from the 21st of September onwards. Let's start with Aries. Profession. With Mars in Gemini influencing your 10th house of career, expect a surge of energy and drive towards your professional goals. However, Saturn's retrograde in Aquarius might introduce some obstacles or delays. Use this time to review and refine your strategies. Be cautious around Thursday as sudden changes in plans could arise due to Uranus's position. Career development. Mercury's placement in Leo boosts your communication skills and creativity, helping you articulate your ideas effectively. Leverage this to advance projects or initiate new ventures. However, avoid making hasty decisions on Tuesday when Neptune's influence could cloud your judgment. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo highlights a focus on family and home life. You may feel a strong urge to improve your living environment or address family issues. Positive interactions with parents are likely, but be mindful of any misunderstandings that could arise around Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter in Taurus brings optimism and growth in your love life. If you're in a relationship, you might experience a deepening of emotional bonds. For singles, opportunities for meaningful connections are high, especially on Friday when Venus and Jupiter align favorably. Health wise, with the Sun in Virgo emphasizing health and wellness, this is a great time to focus on physical activities. Engage in sports like football or badminton to channel your energy constructively. Avoid overexertion on Thursday when stress from work might impact your health. Let's move on to Taurus. Let's talk about your profession. Jupiter's position in your 10th house of career suggests potential for growth and success. Opportunities may arise, particularly on Thursday when the moon trines your moon sign. However, be prepared for unexpected changes or challenges, especially if you're involved in negotiations. About your career development, with Mercury in Leo, you'll find yourself communicating your ideas with confidence. This period is ideal for strategic planning or pitching new ideas. Neptune's influence on Tuesday may lead to some confusion, so double check details before making commitments. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo brings a focus on domestic harmony and relationships with parents. Positive interactions are likely, but be aware of potential conflicts that may arise on Wednesday due to Mercury's challenging aspects. Use this time for constructive discussions. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's influence enhances your romantic life, making it a great time to explore new connections. For those in relationships, expect growth and deeper understanding. Saturday is favorable for romance, but be cautious of misunderstandings. Health wise, the sun's focus on your sixth house of health encourages you to adopt a new fitness routine. Engage in activities like swimming or brisk walking to stay active. Balance is key, especially with potential stress from work or personal life. Moving towards Gemini, let's talk about your profession. Mars in your first house brings a surge of energy and initiative to your career. You may be inspired to take on new projects or leadership roles. However, watch out for conflicts or delays, particularly around Thursday due to Saturn's retrograde. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo enhances your creativity and communication. Use this to your advantage for brainstorming or presenting ideas. Be cautious of Neptune's influence on Tuesday, which might cause confusion or miscommunication. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo highlights a period of reassessment in family matters. Positive developments are possible, but be aware of potential misunderstandings on Wednesday due to Mercury's aspects. This is a good time to address home improvements or family issues. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's placement in Taurus offers favorable opportunities for romance. You might experience positive growth in your relationship or new romantic prospects may emerge. Engage in social activities to enhance your love life. Health wise, the sun's focus on your fifth house encourages physical activities. Consider engaging in sports like badminton or swimming to stay energized. Be mindful of overexertion, especially if work related stress impacts your routine. Let's move on to Cancer. Firstly, we'll talk about your profession. Jupiter in your ninth house of career and higher learning suggests opportunities for growth and expansion. However, Uranus's retrograde might bring unexpected challenges or changes. Use this period to focus on long term goals and educational pursuits. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo supports effective communication and planning. Use this to advance your professional projects. Neptune's influence on Tuesday may lead to misunderstandings, so clarify details before making decisions. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo brings a focus on family dynamics and home life. Positive interactions with family members are likely, but be cautious of potential conflicts on Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's influence enhances romantic opportunities. You may experience a deepening of current relationships or meet someone new. Plan a special outing or activity with your partner or potential love interest. Health wise, the sun's placement in Virgo highlights health and wellness. Engage in physical activities like walking or swimming to stay fit. Balance is important, particularly with potential stress from work or personal commitments. That wraps up this week's cosmic forecast. As the stars continue to shine their light on us, remember that your moon sign provides a unique perspective on how you navigate your week. Embrace the opportunities for growth, tackle any challenges with confidence, and stay tuned for more celestial insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how the stars are aligning in your life. Until next time, goodbye.